Welcome back to another video. My name is Nicholas. I'm with Mr.
Ahiro Javira.
Huh?
Ahiro Javira.
Ahiro Javira. What are we going to do in this video? Chichi tugenda kola.
Tugenda kola juice.
We're going to make banana juice. 2 years back, we made this same juice, but it was on a large scale in the boat where someone used bare feet to squeeze the juice out of those bananas and also the grass. And I received a lot of complaints. Why are you using bare feet? Can't you do something modern? Oh, it will be so hard to do something modern in this village because I think they cannot afford those equipments. But today we are going to do something small, and we want to give you the difference. If something is on a small scale, they can use their hands to do this. Let us dive into this. Tukore. Oh God! But as you watch, enjoy. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Let us know what you think about this. So how long have you been doing this? I think this is one of the economic activities on this village. Economic activities ezikolebwa ku kyalo kuno. Sicho?
Zezino.
Those are buli omu. So each family on this community can make this. They can make Ugandan walaji, they can make banana juice and other types of wallages.
Yes.
Wow. They are also farmers, not only making this, but they also do farm. They have so many gardens around. The place is so green.
Yes.
So green. You told me this is called Pearl of Africa.
Yes. Part of Uganda.
I mean Pearl of Uganda. So there is Pearl of Africa and there is also Pearl of Uganda. Hope you get that difference. So this district alone is a district.
It is a district.
This district alone is called Pearl of Uganda. Yeah, because everything that is being said about Uganda, the tourism sector, what, you can find that in this community, in this district. There's a game park nearby.
Yes.
There's a game park. Oh. There are so many things, lakes, so many swamps,
rivers, forests, and game parks.
There's also a dam. That generates electricity.
Yes.
Wow, it is indeed the Pearl of Uganda. That surprised this entire district.
Yes.
Wow. I love what I'm learning from this side. But as you watch, tell us what you want to see next. So let me go behind the camera. I'll bring you closer. You see what is happening here. This is on a small scale. It's going to be just for a few people. But the one we did 2 years back, it was on a large scale. I think it could feed the entire district, the entire community. All right. As I enjoy, let us dive into this. Hope you remember what you saw in that video 2 years back. We used the spear grass to squeeze the juice out of those bananas. Today we're going to harvest banana leaves. So we're going to use banana leaves as you watch this video. So keep watching. So there are so many things you can use. Spear grass, banana leaves, not so many things, but 2 things you can use. All I know is that 2 items, spear grass and banana leaves. So let's go harvest some and we come back to where we're doing our stuff from. We squeeze the juice out until we get something to drink. We go. Please don't just watch, but learn something from this video. Learn the techniques, learn how things are done. At your home, you can do the same thing. You come up with the same result. In case you missed that video we did 2 years back, I'm going to drop in the description box. Let me see if it can also appear on this screen. Somewhere there. I don't know where exactly, but it will appear. Or in case you missed it or you didn't see it, check in the description box. The link is going to be there. Also, the first very comment is going to be pinned up there. You can check it and see the difference. See how things are done. Let us go back to what is happening here.
Before we start squeezing, we add in water first.
hope you're enjoying this video. You're learning something. Tell us in the comment section. You might be asking yourself, was that water cooked? It was cooked. It was cooked. So how do you know it is ready?
I see the fog.
You see the fog,
Yes.
Then you know it is ready.
Yes.
Oh, so don't go anywhere. Keep watching. We are about to test something. If you're watching this video, just know there was a first one we did, which was about Ugandan wallaji, how to make Ugandan wallaji. And this video is from Western Uganda. We are in Western Uganda right now. Western Uganda Rubirizi district. So check for that video. I see what we did at first before we started something different. But enjoy. Tell us what you want to see next from this society, from this side. We'll do that for you. So let's go back.
Ate guwedde kati ate ne kati tulina kugunywerawo nate woba oyagala omuntu ayagala ogw'okutunda tuba tulina ogufumba ate ogufumba kiba kitegeeza nti oba oyagala gutwale Kampala oba Kasese oba n'amatawuni amalala gugende nga guli safe. Ate guno ne kati twagutaddemu amazzi nga si mafumbe ate amazzi gano si mafumbe nate tugulina buzibu ku muntu yenna akuba nti zino endagala n'amenvu gennyini g'omubazi akuba tuguyinza kulwaza muntu gundi flu akuba nti go mulungi ate guwooma ate gulinga omubazi. Kati guno tujja tandika kutestinga kati tujja tandika kutestinga kandabe oyinza kugulaba oba guwedde kati ntandise okugutestinga akuba eno juice ya kamala kugwa kati ate oyina otandika nywerawo akuba nti yo ndamu. Gwe ewooma kawooma nnyo ate kano gulinga omubazi ate tuyinza kukolera mu bwato nate obwato nga buli wala ate obwato bw'osanga nga buli wala tulina guno gwewaka tukola juice ewaka yakunywa ate tuleeta gunda menvu tuteeka mu sepiki wetumala kuteeka mu sepiki ntubinyiga tujja mu juice ntutandika okunywa ate juice eno yekuuma obulamu bwaffe abeeno. Oba toyina ndagala osobola kukozesa essubi ate essubi eryo liri wala lyeyo mu gundi waliwo weribeera ngaawo ate ffe abeeno obanga tolina kumpi okozesa gundi endagala zino ate endagala ojja mu juice nnungi nnyo. Kati ngenda kujjula kati nja kujujjula ngiteeke ku gundi ku kadomola tutandike okunywa ate abeeno bonna gye tukozesa juice eno.
I think you have heard from the man. He took you through the steps, why they use unboiled water, why they have to use boiled water, why they have to cook this juice, for so many reasons. By now, we are going to go to the second last stage, because the very last one, we have to drink it, we have to take it, we have to test it. We have to test it. So let us do the second last process, and then until we go to the last of the video, to the last part of the video. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Don't just watch. Tell us what you think about this video. I know some of you are going to say, why didn't you use the gloves to do the juice? My friend, if you go behind the kitchen, a lot happens there. If you go behind the kitchen, a lot happens. So, and gloves, we trust our hands. If you wash them clean, it is even more better than those gloves. You don't know how many, which kind of chemicals are on those gloves. The hands are way safer. They're way safer, much safer. Make sure they are clean. So let's go back to the video.
Kati nyigamu olaba ine ekyovu. Ekyovu obanga onyiga olaba ng'ekyovu manyi nti juice eyo ezze. Tolaba ekyovu kikino kino Teekemu kimu kitundu awo.
As is getting the grass out of the juice, let us backbite. Would you try that? Would you try that? The uncooked one, would you? Me, I'm always okay. I taste anything I find along my way, and I'm ready to taste this. So let's go back. It's now going to filter out the juice, which we're going to taste. But feel free to come and join me. Spiritually, you taste this with me spiritually. Physically, I can always do this for you. You know what I do best. Physically, I eat on your behalf, I drink on your behalf, I travel on your behalf, I do this on your behalf.
Ntandise okusengeja.
Okay, I can't wait for the last one. Please carry on. Genda maaso.
Ntandise okusengeja. Ogisengeja neba nnungi. Tebeeramu kantu konna.
So the residues are always like stay in the funnel.
Ntandise ogisengeja. Tolaba erina n'okukyusa kkala. Tebumala gisengeja, nina giteeka mu gundi kadomola. Olina okusooka okukalongoosa njeru ng'ewooma. Bino bye bisigaddemu.
Thank you so much for being part of Eating in African Way. Thank you so much for being patient with us. I believe you watched this from the start until now. So this is the result. You have seen it. You have seen the result in that white jerry can. It looks so tasty. The scent that comes from it, the scent is so natural. So natural. So bagambe choyagalo bagamba, we end the video. You can also do this on a large scale in case someone wants to order. Don't worry about your distance. You are in Rwanda, you are in Kenya, you are in Tanzania, and you want to get this in large quantity. Send us a message. I'm going to drop his number in my description box. In case you want to do business, reach out. Reach out for any amount. This village is full of these.
This banana juice.
Banana juice. So reach out, you get any amount you need. Any last words? You can maybe send by, then we end the video.
No bagamba wena ayagala ogunde juice ngeno. Alina okunkubira essimu n'ongamba n'ompa oda. Oda oba ya domola nga 50 oba 10.
Any order. 50 gel cans, 100 gel cans. Reach out. Kaka.
Ikaoma. Otwala kalungi. Kalungi. Ate amatooke geno gawomesa nnyo juice eno. Kalina amaanyi.
Wow. We sign out from here. Thank you so much for being here. Catch up later. Catch you later. We'll catch us later in other videos. Kano kawooma ebyaddala.
kano kawomera ddala kawomera ddala ate nembidde zino embidde nnungi nnyo 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 nnyo
manye Kampala bakozesa amenvu gano amanene ga bogoya oluusi tebiwooma bulungi
tibiwooma bulungi ate
ebisinga bya nadizi
ne tulina embidde kayinja zino ezigundi byonna tuteekamu ate kyolaba lwaki bifuuka omubazi